Hi guys, welcome back. Quick vid on the KTM 790 Duke. Got a new exhaust. Come check it out, come check it out. Alrighty, that was a cold start. We'll go for a ride and then I'll start it up when it's warm. But while you're in here, let me show you our fantastic new garage. So if you watch some of our older videos, our garage was not finished. It was just the wood and the paper, and we hired someone to drywall it. So we got all of our cabinets put back, and we have drywall, and we have a ceiling, and we have a pull down thing. We had an attic put up there, some flooring, and so can't show you that yet. And then we got our helmets hanging up there. Well, one's missing, so I'm gonna go for a ride. And then we have our fabulous new garage floor, and we painted our stairs black, and Gary painted the railing. And look at our floor. Go over here and show you this angle with the sun. We got a new garage door. We got a new fridge. It's like, I love being out here now. And then we got some wall cabinets for over there. And we hung our ladder with this cool little ladder hanger. I really dig it. Yes. Here's from this angle. New garage. So sweet. Okay, let's do a little sound check on the KTM with the bike warmed up. Stand by. I hear seals. I hear something over there barking. Alrighty. Onward. Pelicans? Yeah. Thank you very much. Beautiful. Low, low, low tide. How low can you go, tide? Low, low, low. This will just be a quick vid. Show you the new exhaust. I am a fan of these little Yoshis. I really am. I was thinking about the Austin Racing one too. But I don't know. I just really like these Yoshi Bros. Sounds good. Just a little slip on. Wow, that tide is way out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't see the need to put a full exhaust on this. I like the sound. This bike is already light, and I like the sound of this Yoshi slip-on. Boy, everybody's pulling over for me today. It's kind of cool. Oh, are you, or? Man, KTM did this bike right, guys. I am a huge fan. I never thought I would own a KTM. Never even crossed my mind. But as I was shopping for a lighter bike, just to kind of work out my skills, I was thinking about the BMW 310 or whatever. But this one got great reviews, and it's got plenty of power, being a 790. Oh yeah. You ready? We'll go. Since you don't want to go, you're yakking. There are a couple of yakkers. Let's see what's down here. Ooh, it's glary. Let's just drive off. Drive right into the ocean. Plop. The parking. Oh my, that is an exceptionally beautiful low tide. Oh yes. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Oh yes. Wow, that's good jogging ground right there.